What a normal, peaceful day. Oh no. Oh no. Oh shoot. Dang. Did you just see what happened, bro? Yo, you alive, bro? You alive? Almost alive. Okay. Are you about to die?
Yeah.
Okay, any last words? My mom is kind of homeless, bro. Oh my god. Okay, bro. Look, bro's barely alive, bro. I think this is the only way to fix it, bro. It's the only way to fix it. So, I think this is the only way to make this unalive, bro. So, 3, 2, 1. Boom.